with repeat functionality in Python. Is there a way to get functionality similar to mkdir on the shell from within Python? I am looking for a solution other than a system call. I am sure the code is less than 20 lines, and I am wondering if someone has already written it.
For Python greater than or equal to 3.5, use pathlib.path.mkdir. The exist_OK parameter was added in Python 3.5. For Python greater than or equal to 3.2, os.mkdir has an optional third argument exist_OK that, when true, enables the mkdir functionality, unless mode is provided and the existing directory has different permissions than the intended ones. In that case, os error is raised as previously. For even older versions of Python, you can use os.mkdir and ignore the error.
In Python, equals 3.2, that's. In earlier versions, use @soats answer.
This is easier than trapping the exception. Disclaimer: this approach requires two system calls, which is more susceptible to race conditions under certain environments/conditions. If you're writing something more sophisticated than a simple throwaway script running in a controlled environment, you're better off going with the accepted answer that requires only one system call. Update July 27, 2012. I'm tempted to delete this answer, but I think there's value in the comment thread below. As such, I'm converting it to a wiki.
Recently, I found this distutils.dir_util.path